It's 5 cages that have been filled with action, filled with some of the best young talent from around the world here at the Youth Championships. 500 young athletes, aspiring MMA fighters have made the trip here to Abu Dhabi to compete over these 4 days. Today and tomorrow is the chance for the Youth A's, the under 18, 16 and 17-year-olds to take center stage. Here we are, bang in the middle on cage number 3, calling the action in the fight which is coming up, which you'll see Tajikistan with Ibrokhimi, Saidmumin taking on Liam Davies from Wales. Both these teams have had good success yesterday, particularly on cage 1 that I was calling. Wales had a real good outing, a real good showing, and were in real fine voice in the stands as well. But Tajikistan really are an emerging force on this IMAF platform. So, Ibrokhimi, Saidmumin, Tajikistan, white kit, blue corner. Liam Davies, purple kit, red corner, representing Team Wales. Switching stances. Look at the bent over posture from Liam Davies. That is taken away. That midsection saying that though, that uppercut dug in deep. Now it's a battle of this position in wrestling. Got the double underhooks, Liam. See the Welsh corner asking Liam to connect those hands. Wrestling such a prevalent part of the Tajiki culture. And as you see there, an excellent trip and throw. Took his man to the mat and now already looking to set up this Das. He's got the arm under the armpit and then through around the neck. Trying really hard to set this up. He's locked the legs as well when he takes this to the mat. Oh my goodness. He's doing well, Davies, though. Trying to fight this. Stay composed. And there, fights the elbow, gets his head free. Good work there from Wales' Liam Davies. Oh, kick to the midsection. Solid teep right into that solar plexus. Ibrokhimi taking the center of the cage, stepping for, oh, that's a heavy leg kick and follows it up with another one. That switches the stances of Liam Davies. Oh, and again, and again, and again. Oh, he's in trouble, Davies is in trouble. These are mounting pressure, oh! Oh my goodness. He picked a target, that outside thigh, the left leg, and look at that, kept going back to it. Davies struggling with those leg kicks, rising it up each time, trying to predict when it's coming. Already icing the leg as the Welsh corner. Vicious, vicious leg attacks. And that was a nice trip there from Ibrokhimi. Oh, and there's the hip toss again from another angle. And look at this, right back there, right behind the leg. What that does is send that baseball bat of a shin right up and into that sciatic nerve. It's so difficult to describe to people what leg kicks are like. They are miserable. Taking one is bad enough. Taking a flurry like that off a high-level striker like Ibrokhimi. And let's see. You near the corner there in Wales, say they reckon he'll go back to that leg, and of course he will. And now let's see what Liam Davies can do to negate that. And Davies now firing plenty of leg kicks himself. Oh, there's the feint and the follow from Ibrokhimi. how loose he is on his feet, and when he turns those hips, gets the full torque on them. That's huge. Now Davies is driving for this takedown. He's in on the single leg, trying to lock the hands. Can he pull him away from the cage? Oh, and again, just a little trip. Superb technical takedown there from Ibrokhimi. 1 minute now in the second round. Scheduled for 3 2-minute rounds here. Here we go, Ibrokhimi still working from this top position now, switches to side, looking for knee on belly. Now north-south position, Davies trying to get his legs back into the game. Ibrokhimi now taking the back, trying to set that first hook, almost does so. Couple of big digs just into the side there. Davies controlling those hands, rolling out, he does very well, just doesn't scramble quite quick enough. Now he's got the butterfly hooks, can he get the elevation and the separation, the sweep? There we go, round 2. Good showing, but once again it was Davies that was looking for the takedown. Just a little trip, just a little touch of the ankle. Watch this against the cage. The pressure is all coming from Davies, but then this, the hips turned inside, so they are parallel to the hips of his opponent, and just a little trip, little kick, and then uses that momentum to get him to the mat. Liam Davies still in this fight though, still in this contest. And 2 minutes to try and turn it around. Here we are, set and ready for round number 3 here. Tajikistan versus Wales. Off we go, Liam Davies from Wales, purple kit. Ibrokhimi from Tajikistan, white kit, blue corner. Davies had to deal with a torrent of leg kicks in that first round. Second round, a little hip toss after he was initiating the takedown. Meant Ibrokhimi was in that top position. Davies did his best he could to try and get out of that spot. Now, what can he do? Round number 3. Oh, Ibrokhimi's caught that kick. He might drop. Oh, again, working the midsection. Davies trying to get a bite on that neck. Ibrokhimi sees it out. So Davies now trying to avoid this, the knee on belly into mount from Ibrokhimi, does really well, turns back into him. Oh, looked like Ibrokhimi was trying to step into a triangle there. Davies does well, but once again Ibrokhimi attacks, steps to the other side this time. Tough young fighter. Liam Davies, no quit whatsoever. And he is dealing with what has become evident is a real top talent here. Again, knee on belly. Look at, he doesn't just slice it across, he drove that into the midsection. Davies does well. Turns and rolls, that says it all, right to the final bell. No quitting that young man whatsoever. And you think about that first fight, you think about the first round, sorry. all those leg kicks. And he still kept coming. But Ibrokhimi from Tajikistan takes this one. There we have, that's the point. Ibrokhimi was looking to maybe step over into that mount, readjust, scrambled. Now watch the step over to the other side. Oh. Tough battle, fantastic contest, and a big win there for Ibrokhimi. Saidmumin